You ready?
I stood atop the board while the pain is piercing deep, just like a stinging on thought. Frustration's one true form, should be the state of mind I wanna see as a dream I adore. Spinning round for always yet another heyday. If that's what I'd say, it would be a Mayday. Although I may grow in age, still my head aches, going da-da-da-da-da. Now if only your nonsense seemed like the words I robbed of you, so false in all their beliefs. Revenge is truly steep, but then it's one true form, and the lungs in with the lead at the deep. Living on with the swan life and I'm holding on tight. I'm drunk and high on impulse and drive. Although I may feel disguised, if there's a place where I belong and can fight. Let us show all the dreams in dark nights, refusing to die. Let's run and make a break for the future that we take, to death for which we all pray, and surrender to what we preach. Go becoming one with time. There's a point with a promise inside, for today just like a past life, with no future inside. Come and let your voice shout loud. Let's take it easy right now. No common sense to be found. We only know the